Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford. Now when it comes to special trucks, we specialize in some of the best. And you may have seen some of our videos on our other Tuscany and Shelby trucks, but these two are all new for 2021. We have the Shelby F-150 Off-Road and the Shelby F-150 Super Snake. Both of these trucks were designed to break necks and break performance figures. So what do you say? We check out what's new with the Shelby F-150. To compare the two trucks, we're going to go between both to share some of their similarities and differences. One is obviously geared for the off-road, while the other one is a street monster. Now, the style and performance between the two are going to be pretty much the same, with your only differences being your suspension and tire setup. This particular off-road F-150 is one of only 600, while the Super Snake over there is only one of 300 in its 4-door configuration, and there will be only 300 produced in a 2-door configuration. The Shelby team takes a 502 loaded Lariat equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 and gets to work. The first thing you notice right on the grille are the letters spelling out the legendary man's name, Shelby, so everyone who's looking in the rear view knows what's coming. The letters are also paint matched for that extra classy touch. You can see that the front bumper looks more aggressive as well. This bumper is lower to the ground, creating better under-truck airflow without the gaudy looking plain air dam. There is also air-managed integrated intake vents, and you still have use of the front recovery tow hooks. The Ram air hood features 2 functional intake vents here on the front and in the middle. As we lift the hood, we can see where the air flows through. That gives us a look at what's under the hood. A bright Ford Racing Blue Whipple supercharger. This increases the truck's total output to a whopping 775 horsepower. For increased performance, you'll also be getting an oversized carbon fiber air intake tube, a performance aluminum heat exchanger, a billet throttle body, and high-flow fuel injectors. The Super Snake, with its all-wheel drive performance, rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.45 seconds. Closing the hood, you'll notice the signature Shelby racing stripes that span the entirety of the truck from front to back. Coming around the side, we must talk about these massive 22-inch Shelby alloy wheels finished in a menacing gloss black. These things have presence and are mated to 35, 1250R, 22 BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. The painted red and Shelby badge brake calipers add that racer's touch. What makes room for this massive setup is the upgraded Fox Racing suspension system featuring a BDS 6-inch lift and Fox 2.5 front and rear aluminum body reservoir shocks. These have an internal bypass and are adjustable for a luxury smooth on-road experience to off-road and even track handling. Back to the styling here on the side, you get function heat extraction side blades, and on the doors is a matching side stripe that has Shelby cut out on the front, and on the back the horsepower 775 displayed so they know why you beat them when the light turns green. On the off-road version, you get AMP Research power deployable side steps that are lighted with rock guards. You also get fender flares that are molded to the truck and color matched. Around the rear, those behind you will also know it's a Shelby with the letters on the tailgate. You also get dual exhaust by Borla with black tips. The fiberglass tonneau cover is lockable and is supported with struts. Once open, you see the bed rug that has cutouts for the bed lights, box link, and Pro Power onboard, which this is the 400-watt system. You also get your workstation tailgate, which is easily accessible because the bed rug just attaches with Velcro to be taken off and put back on in a simple manner. The differences on the Super Snake are the ground effects. The Super Snake is low to the ground and features 4-piece body ground effects. You also get this splitter on the front that is finished in a bedliner material for durability, and it doesn't look half bad. The Super Snake differentiates itself from the F-150 Off-Road with the Super Snake badging around the truck, on the side blades, and on the center console. And when it comes to street performance, this is where the Super Snake sets itself apart. The suspension is low to the ground and built by RideTech in conjunction with Fox. You get coilovers in the front and shocks in the rear with upper control arms, rear traction bars, and a rear sway bar. The tires are Street Performance Toyo Proxy tires and come in at 305 40R22 both front and rear. As we move to the interior, Shelby has given this already incredible new interior design even more luxury. The seat recovers are perforated to keep those heated and ventilated seats functional. However, these seats now feature a snake-like scale design in the pattern to go with the Shelby Cobra theme. You will also notice the overabundance of carbon fiber throughout the center console and spanning end to end on the dash. But don't worry, the signature flag is still waving proudly at each end. The billet racing pedals keep with the racer theme, and you get branded floor mats as well. The center armrest features a serialized badge, which this is at 003. As mentioned, this truck is based off a Lariat 502A package, so it's loaded to the gills. You get the B&O speaker system, you get the massive 12-inch screen, and all of the safety features that have been recalibrated for this awesome lift. And of course, you're going to get that flip-out workstation on the armrest. All in all, you can't go wrong with either of these two high-performance and menacing trucks, and you'll be sure to break hearts and break necks, especially when you stomp on it off the line with that 775 horsepower. Now, if you are ready to own something this unique and special, reach out to us at Richmond Ford, as we are Central Virginia's Shelby headquarters. We have customer service reps at the link in the description ready to help you out with your order. And as always, when you buy from us, you're going to get our exclusive 100,000-mile warranty and our 5-star customer service, because we are driven by you. Please take a moment to give us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great Ford content, and thanks for watching.